In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules on Microsoft Lists. By the end, you'll know how to automatically send notifications when something changes in your list so your team stays informed without manual follow-ups. First, open Microsoft Lists in your browser. You can get there from your Microsoft 365 app launcher or by going to the Lists app directly. Once you're in, head to the list where you want automation. Make sure you have at least edit permissions on that list. If you can add or modify items, you'll typically be able to create rules too. At the top of your list, look for the Automate menu in the command bar. Click Automate, then choose Rules. This opens the built-in rule builder for lists, which is perfect for quick notifications without needing Power Automate. Next, select Create a Rule. The first decision is your trigger. This defines when the rule should run. You'll see options like a column changes, a value changes, a new item is created, or an item is deleted. Pick the one that matches your scenario. For example, if you want to alert someone when a due date is updated, choose a column changes. If you want a welcome or intake alert when something is added, choose a new item is created. For cleanup or audit purposes, use an item is deleted. And if you need more precision, a value changes lets you focus on specific changes to a column's content. Now define the conditions using the sentence style builder. Click each underlined part to set the column, the comparison, and the value. For text, you might use equals or contains. For numbers and dates, you can choose greater than or earlier, later than. Keep your conditions as specific as needed to avoid sending unnecessary emails. If you selected a column-based trigger, you'll also be prompted to confirm which column you're watching. Next, choose who should get the notification. You can type people or group names directly, or if your list has a people column like assigned to, you can target that column so the message goes to the person listed there. Keep in mind, notifications are standard email alerts. Depending on your organization's settings, external recipients may not receive them. When everything looks right, click Create to save the rule. A quick tip, make a small test change like updating a sample item to confirm the email arrives as expected. If you need to adjust or pause the rule later, return to Automate, then Rules to review, edit, or delete it. That's it. You've created a Microsoft Lists rule that keeps the right people informed at the right time.